Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove members from your Snapchat group. So firstly open up your Snapchat, then go to your chat section, then open up your group. Now click on your group icon at the top left corner. Now if you click at the three dots icon at the top right corner, you will find there is an option in which you can remove a singular member from this group. So just simply come back by pressing on done. Then what you have to do is just simply click and hold on a member, and then when the option pops out, you can see there is still no option for removing a friend from the group. So what you can do is now just simply click on manage friendship, and then you can just simply remove the friend entirely. Or the second option is you can contact your friend and ask him to leave the group on his own. So that's the only two way anyone can leave a Snapchat group. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.